Discover the heartfelt lessons from an 81-year-old widow who's learned the hard way about the most costly mistakes in later life. From financial pitfalls to overlooked health decisions, these are real challenges many seniors face but rarely talk about. Avoid common regrets and gain valuable insights to protect your future and peace of mind. Whether you're planning ahead or caring for a loved one, this eye-opening guide sheds light on what truly matters in your golden years. Don't wait until it's too late. Empower yourself with knowledge that can save time, money, and stress. Watch now to learn the 5 crucial mistakes to avoid and create a more secure, joyful, and worry-free tomorrow. Lesson 1. Ignoring financial planning, the costly mistake that can change everything. When we think about later years, financial worries might not be the first thing on our minds. But for many seniors, especially widows, ignoring financial planning can lead to serious stress and unexpected challenges. Imagine reaching your golden years with limited funds, unprepared for emergencies, or unsure if your savings will last. This is a costly mistake that many wish they had avoided. Financial planning isn't just about having a big bank balance, it's about making smart, simple choices that protect your future. It means understanding your income sources, tracking your spending, and planning for both the expected and the unexpected. Without this, even small surprises like a medical bill or home repair can quickly become overwhelming. One of the biggest lessons from an 81-year-old widow's experience is the power of budgeting. It sounds basic, but many overlook this simple step. Creating a realistic budget helps you see exactly where your money goes, so you can cut unnecessary expenses and make your dollars stretch further. It also brings peace of mind, knowing you're in control of your finances. Another important part of financial planning is knowing your benefits. Whether it's Social Security, pensions, or veterans benefits, these programs can be a lifeline. But without fully understanding what you're entitled to, it's easy to miss out on money that's rightfully yours. Taking the time to explore and claim these benefits can make a significant difference in your monthly income. Investments might seem complicated, but even small, well-informed decisions can help your savings grow and keep up with inflation. Speaking with a trusted financial advisor or using simple online tools can guide you in making choices that fit your comfort level. Above all, the key takeaway is this: don't wait until it's too late. Financial planning is about protecting your independence and ensuring your later years are comfortable and worry-free. By taking proactive steps now, you can avoid costly mistakes and focus on what truly matters: enjoying life, family, and the freedom you've earned. Lesson 2. Neglecting health screenings, a simple step that could save your life. As we grow older, it's easy to feel that health problems are just part of the natural process of aging. But one costly mistake many seniors, including an 81-year-old widow, wish they had avoided is neglecting regular health screenings. Skipping these checkups can mean missing early warning signs of treatable conditions, sometimes with serious consequences. Health screenings aren't just routine doctor visits, they are vital tools that help catch issues before they become emergencies. Think of them as early alarms that alert you to hidden problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, or even certain cancers. Detecting these early means treatments can be simpler, less invasive, and much more effective. One of the biggest reasons people skip screenings is fear of bad news or uncomfortable procedures. But the truth is, facing these fears can be life-changing. Regular screenings give you control over your health and help maintain your independence longer. When you know your health status, you can make informed choices, adjust your lifestyle, and get the care you need before small issues turn into big problems. Another reason some neglect health screenings is feeling fine and thinking, why bother? But many serious conditions don't show symptoms right away. That's why doctors recommend regular tests even when you feel healthy. It's like servicing your car regularly to avoid breakdowns. You may not see a problem, but preventative care keeps everything running smoothly. For seniors, screenings such as blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, bone density scans, and cancer screenings, like mammograms or colonoscopies, are especially important. These simple tests can reveal risks that might otherwise go unnoticed. An 81-year-old widow's story reminds us all that taking a few hours for health screenings is a small investment with huge payoffs. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better, with energy, confidence, and peace of mind. Don't wait for symptoms to appear. Prioritize your health by scheduling regular screenings and encourage your loved ones to do the same. After all, prevention is the best medicine and one of the smartest ways to avoid costly health regrets later in life. Lesson 3. Not having a clear legal plan, why it's more important than you think. One of the most costly mistakes an 81-year-old widow wishes she had avoided is not having a clear legal plan in place. Many people shy away from thinking about wills, powers of attorney, or advance directives, often because it feels overwhelming or uncomfortable. But skipping this crucial step can lead to confusion, conflict, and costly delays for you and your loved ones. Having a clear legal plan is about more than just dividing your assets, it's about protecting your wishes, your dignity, and the people you care about most. Without documents like a will or a healthcare proxy, your family might face legal battles or guesswork during an already emotional time. This uncertainty can cause stress and even tear families apart. Imagine your loved ones trying to make decisions about your healthcare or finances without knowing what you want. That's exactly what happens when there is no power of attorney or advance directive. These documents allow you to appoint trusted people to act on your behalf if you can't speak for yourself. It's peace of mind knowing that your values and choices will be honored, no matter what. Setting up a legal plan doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Many resources and professionals can guide you through creating the right documents for your situation. The important thing is to start early. Waiting too long can mean missing the opportunity altogether. Another benefit of a legal plan is avoiding unnecessary taxes or court fees, which can eat away at your hard-earned savings. Proper estate planning helps ensure your money goes where you want it to, rather than being lost to legal hurdles. This lesson is a powerful reminder. Taking a few hours to set up your legal affairs is an investment in your future and a gift to your family. It's about taking control and making sure your later years are defined by clarity, respect, and security. Don't leave your family guessing. Start your legal planning today and enjoy the confidence that comes with knowing your wishes will be followed exactly as you want. Lesson 4. Isolating yourself socially, the hidden risk that many seniors overlook. One of the most surprising and costly mistakes an 81-year-old widow wishes she had avoided is isolating herself socially in her later years. While it's natural to slow down and enjoy quiet moments, withdrawing too much from friends, family, and community can take a serious toll on both your mental and physical health. Social isolation isn't just about feeling lonely, it's a risk factor that can impact your well-being in many ways. Studies show that seniors who lack regular social connections face higher risks of depression, cognitive decline, and even heart disease. Simply put, staying connected with others helps keep your mind sharp and your body healthier. For many older adults, the loss of a spouse, friends moving away, or mobility challenges can make social interaction feel harder. But that's exactly why it's so important to make a conscious effort to stay engaged. Whether it's joining a local club, attending community events, or simply calling a friend for a chat, these small actions can create big benefits. The story of this 81-year-old widow is a powerful reminder that human connection is a vital ingredient to a happy, fulfilling life. She found that as she pulled back from social activities, her mood worsened, and everyday tasks felt more challenging. But when she reconnected with others, even in small ways, her outlook brightened and her energy returned. It's never too late to build or rebuild your social circle. Today's technology also makes it easier than ever to stay in touch. Video calls, social media, and online groups can help you connect even when getting out is tough. Investing time in relationships is investing in your health. Don't let isolation steal your joy or independence. Reach out, stay active, and make connection a priority. Remember, we are social beings, and nurturing those bonds is one of the smartest ways to avoid costly health and emotional regrets later in life. Your happiness and well-being depend on it. Lesson 5. Underestimating the value of self-care, the secret to a happier, healthier later life. One of the biggest mistakes an 81-year-old widow wishes she had avoided is underestimating the true value of self-care. It's easy to think that self-care is just pampering or luxury, but in reality, it's a vital part of staying healthy, happy, and independent as we age. Self-care means taking intentional steps to care for your body, mind, and spirit every day. This includes eating nutritious meals, staying physically active, getting enough rest, and doing things that bring you joy. Unfortunately, many seniors neglect these essentials, thinking they don't matter or that they're too old to change habits. The truth is, investing in yourself pays incredible dividends. Proper nutrition fuels your body and supports your immune system, while regular exercise helps maintain strength, balance, and mobility, crucial for preventing falls and injuries. Even simple activities like walking or stretching can boost your energy and mood. Mental self-care is just as important. Engaging in hobbies, reading, learning new skills, or practicing mindfulness can reduce stress and keep your mind sharp. Social activities also play a key role in emotional wellness, helping to combat loneliness and build a sense of purpose. This widow's story shows how ignoring self-care can lead to avoidable health problems and feelings of exhaustion or sadness. But once she prioritized her well-being, making small changes like healthier meals and daily walks, she noticed a dramatic improvement in her energy, confidence, and overall happiness. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's a necessary act of kindness toward yourself, especially in later years. By embracing self-care, you're not only enhancing your quality of life but also reducing medical risks and preserving your independence longer. The lesson here is clear: don't wait for a health scare to start caring for yourself. Begin today by making small, manageable changes that honor your body and mind. Your future self will thank you for it. Invest in self-care, it's the secret to a joyful, vibrant, and worry-free life well into your golden years. Conclusion. Thank you for watching and learning these important lessons that can help you avoid costly mistakes in your later years. If even one tip resonated with you or gave you a fresh perspective, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means the world and helps us create more valuable content just for you. Have you faced any of these challenges or learned something new today? Let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss advice that can protect your future and bring peace of mind. Together, we can build a supportive community focused on thriving in our golden years. Your voice matters. Drop a comment now and join the conversation.